Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Can't really say welcome back because I have not been active for like 2 years, but I have been getting a lot of questions on how I do my own braids and I guess the way that I do them and the method that I use personally. Without further ado, I will get right on into the video. I did the video before recording the intro, if you can't tell. So that's why I am already, braided up. Though I really love the curly ends though. I don't know why. Just like how it looks. Alright, so this is the hair that I use. I usually get it from Sally's. I used about 4 packs of this hair to complete this hairstyle. And for this style, I tried to get about 6 braids per vertical section. And here I'm just teasing out the hair. I prefer to do it on my own rather than buying pre-teased hair. I just find it adds more length and comes out with a better texture. And before I begin braiding, I separate 3 small pieces of hair just to have them ready to go. And here's a close-up. So I like to part it into 3 and prepare to just do a regular braid. Once I get about 1 or 2 braids in, I will add in the hair and place it between my index and middle finger so that half of the hair will be falling between those fingers and the other half falls on the outside of my middle finger. And then I will just continue going, grab the hair that is already outside and join it with the new hair that I just added, and then just braid it to seal it in and add in 2 more pieces of hair the exact same way. Once it's braided enough, I usually check it out just to make sure that it is not sloppy, loose, or bulky, and if it is, then I would restart, or if it isn't, I will just keep going. And here I'm just showing you that I split my hair in half and I work with the front and then I work with the back usually. I didn't do it this time. And I just wanted to give you a quick clip of how I reach the back. I would normally have a mirror behind me, but I accidentally threw it away while moving. Quick dance break. Fun fact, I watched 6 movies of the Fast and Furious franchise while braiding my hair. That's how long it took. Alright, so here I'm just showing you how I part my hair. I generally do 3 rows up from the back and then 3 columns inward. So I section out hair where the top braid will go just so I know my boundaries. And then I just split that area in half and I work through those 4 rows. Next, we use boiling water to seal and soften the hair. I like to braid my hair from the middle of the length all the way down, and I curl up the ends using some clips just to get that curly result. Some more sealing, we just add in some mousse. I do add more, but I also did a TikTok for this, so I just kind of split the amount that I would normally use in half. And once it's dry, just remove those braids. And bam. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd like to see more. There will be more videos coming in the future. And you can leave a comment, let me know if there's anything you'd want to see, or follow me on Instagram and send me a DM and let me know if there's any type of content in particular you'd like me to do. All right, well, thank you and bye.